Today I will talk about measurement of bullwhip effect in a supply chain. This is part of my series of lectures on operations management and supply chain management. So the bullwhip effect or whiplash effect is an observed phenomena in forecast-driven distribution channels. It occurs because the demand for goods is based on demand forecasts from companies rather than actual consumer demand. The concept is also known as Forrester effect. Since the oscillating demand magnification upstream, a supply chain reminds someone of a cracking whip, it becomes famous as the bullwhip effect. So this is a diagram I have taken from this website. It beautifully describes the increase in variation in demand upstream the supply chain. So the look is similar to a whip. What are the causes of bullwhip effect? The causes include order batching, shortage gaming, demand forecast inaccuracies. So these are the causes of the bullwhip effect. What are the impacts of bullwhip effect? It may lead to inefficient production. It may lead to excessive inventory as the producer needs to fulfill the demand of its predecessor in the supply chain. It leads to low utilization of the distribution channel. There are hazards of stockouts resulting in poor customer service. It may lead to a row of financial cost. It may result in damage of public image and loyalty in an organization. It may lead to contract penalties. It may lead to hiring and dismissal of employees. So these are the measurements of bullwhip effect. They have been described variously in various literatures. So I have defined some of them I have taken from literature, and I have also left some of the formulas which are there in literature. I have taken the easier ones to understand the concept. So the bull whip value or BWV is equal to the ratio of variance of ordered quantity divided by variance of demand, which is also equal to ratio of standard deviations of ordered quantity and standard deviation of demand. Since both variations or variance and standard deviation are unit dependent, and it is difficult to compare across the supply chain because there may be finished product at some particular level, and at other level there may be subcomponents or parts of that product. So it is difficult to compare. So we can measure the variance or standard deviation independent of unit of measurement, and this include coefficient of variance. So bullwhip value may be the ratio of coefficient of variance of ordered quantity and demand. In another literature, I have found that the bullwhip value was given as the difference in coefficient of variance of ordered quantity and demand as a percentage of the coefficient of variance of demand. So these are some of the measurements of bullwhip effect. Thank you very much.